Alrighty folks, so today's video is about how can you step away from doing death by PowerPoint. We all know that the audience hate it, right? However, when you're first starting out as a trainer, presenter, coach, facilitator, workshop facilitator, it can be quite daunting. It really can to stop doing the death by PowerPoint because as we all know, PowerPoint is easy. We love the PowerPoint. However, your audience hate it, right? And we need to appreciate that PowerPoint is one of the fastest way to kill all engagement, right? If you check out my books or anything that I teach online, you will know that I'm a really big proponent of understanding the science of engagement, right? And one of the things that we need to appreciate about engagement is if somebody can predict what's going to happen next, then engagement basically is killed straight away, right? So we need to be able to present content in a way that's going to have some sugar, some spice, and some suspense to it, right? And what I mean by sugar and spice is some variety in how it's actually delivered, right? So I just want to give you 3 tips on how you can slowly step away from the death by PowerPoint. But don't worry, I'm not going to take you away from PowerPoint completely, but you may want to grab a pen and write these down. So the first one there is print off your slides. Print off your slides. What I mean by that is print them 3 to a page. And that allows you to actually know what's coming next, right? So you're not clicking and then going, oh, that's what I'm talking about next. You've already got 3 to a page and you can look and you go, okay, cool. The next slide is going to be about X, Y, Z, right? And you can start to actually set up the next piece of content. You can start talking about it and then you show your slide, right? Then you show your slide. It's not click, then talk. It's talk, then click, all right? Now, the second key is W, which stands for so P was print off your slides. W is start to step away from the slides and start to use the whiteboard. So if there is any way that you can actually pop content onto the whiteboard or the flip chart, then you are going to find that your audience are going to go, wow, this person's a little bit different, and there's an ounce of or a little bit of variety in your delivery. Now, the next one is O. So we got print off your slides, we got W for whiteboard, and the last one there is O. Now, O is turn the slides off. Turn the slides off. What I mean by that is when you actually get confident enough, just turn the screen off and actually just speak to your audience. You are going to find that they are way more receptive. They are going to take in so much more, and you are going to be able to be yourself and be truly authentic because it's no longer going to be about proving the content or proving how awesome your slides are. You're just going to be able to show up and you're going to be truly present for your audience and really connected, right? So this video, 3 simple ways to start to step away from death by PowerPoint. Number 1, print off your slides so you know what's coming next, right? Next one, slowly progress over to using more of the whiteboard, more of the flip chart, and more of other ways of delivering the information. And last of all, turn your screen off and be comfortable with the screen off, knowing that the more you can actually have the screen off, the more your level of comfort of your audience is actually going to go up, because as soon as you turn on that screen, people's anxiety levels go up, right? So on that note, folks, hope you got some value from the video. If you did, like, comment, share. Let's get the message out there. 3 simple tips on how to move away from death by PowerPoint. My name is Mark Miles, helping you become the best trainer, presenter, workshop facilitator you truly can be for your audience. Thanks for watching, team. We'll see you on the next one.